RUTURANJAN. I have graduated mechanical engineering 2020 from Bangalore, side the Institute of Technology. I joined QSpiders in the around 3.5 months before, and this is my fourth interview which I had yesterday, and I got into got a placement in one company, that is Sports Software Solutions Private Limited, the package of 3 lakh rupees as a business analyst, and it all helped in because of I joined QSpiders because as basically from mechanical field, but I got into IT sector. Joining QSpiders, which helped me a lot to learn lots of things regarding the IT field, and it greatly helped my communication skills also. The presentation which we wish to do over here, it also helped me a lot to express my all the technical knowledge in my interview, and grooming also helped me a lot. And teaching faculties, talking about the teaching faculties, it was amazing. They were good, friendly about education also, and apart from that also they used to support a lot to do something in life other than the only the jobs also. And overall I want to thank all the staffs, teaching faculties, HRs, and all the non-teaching faculties of QSpiders. And I would like to suggest everyone, people who are looking into getting into IT sector, can join QSpiders Hebbal, so that overall in Bangalore, QSpiders Hebbal, which is having a great, which after getting lots of experience from different branches, I got to know that Hebbal is one of the best branch where you can join and you can make your career. So thank you everyone.